जन्माष्टमी का पावन अवसर है खुशी और उत्साह का। पूजा पाठ, दही हंडी तोड़ना, a whole day's fast and celebrations that go on till midnight. ये त्योहार सब लोगों को एक साथ ले आता है and Bollywood celebrities are known to celebrate this festival with great enthusiasm and also attend many dahi handi events across the city. Well guys, it was a celebratory mood in Bollywood with stars posting pictures of their Janmashtami celebrations from home. Unfortunately, इस साल दही हंडी नहीं हो पाएगा because of social distancing norms, but that hasn't stopped stars from celebrating the birth of their beloved Lord Krishna and welcoming him into their homes and into their lives. Here's the story. लोगों का मानना है कि भगवान श्री कृष्ण was born on the 8th day of the month of Bhadra. People take great effort in decorating Lord Krishna's idol and swing, sing and dance to his songs as a family and celebrate together the whole day. इस साल पैंडेमिक और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की वजह से कई दही हंडी कॉन्टेस्ट नहीं हो पाएंगी और ना ही लोग बड़े फंक्शंस ऑर्गेनाइज कर पाएंगे. But this hasn't stopped many film personalities across India from wishing their fans on this happy occasion. Amitabh Bachchan, who is completing his 2-week home quarantine after recovering from the pandemic-related virus, was amongst the first to share greetings on the occasion of Janmashtami and wrote, "Janmashtami ki anek shubhkamnaएं" and added Namaste emoji to his post. Anupam Kher, whose family also survived the pandemic scare, wished his followers and wrote, "Wish you all a very happy Janmashtami. I hope Lord Krishna bless us all." Kangana Ranaut has shared a post with pictures from her visit to Dwarka and written, "Of all the places I've visited on this planet, Dwarka remains the most fascinating and enchanting. In fact, it's not even a place. It's a little cluster of unnamed ecstatics." She has also shared another post where she speaks about Lord Krishna and calls him a fashionista god. Krishna is the only fashionista incarnation of God. Haha. He loved decorating himself with peacock feathers, flowers and yellow silk. He played the flute and danced like a celestial being. What to say about Krishna? He is not God, he is a doorway to madness. Shilpa Shetty Kundra, who is a huge Sri Krishna Bhakt, shared some throwback pictures from their grand Janmashtami celebration last year and wrote, "Last year this day, performing the Krishna Abhishek at ISKCON Temple. Janmashtami ki aap sabhi ko dhedon shubhkamnaएं. May Lord Krishna take away all our worries, give us the strength to face each day with courage and bless each one of us with happiness, love and peace on the holy occasion of Krishna Janmashtami. We wish you all a very happy Janmashtami. Please have a safe, socially distant celebration at home with your loved ones."